Hello, today I am reviewing the Kinesis Advantage360 Split keyboard. This keyboard is, I'm gonna say from the get-go, it's not cheap. It is $400, so it's definitely not the most friendly keyboard for the wallet. But I was really curious about it, so I purchased it because I've heard so many great things about it, and I've been having a lot of hand and arm pain, so I just really wanted to try it. It's actually pretty cool. It does come, so I'll tell you what it comes with and everything that it does. It does come with this quick start guide, and it tells you how to connect the cables. This is it comes with the USB cable and then this little cable that connects the keyboards, and it lets you separate not too much, but I would say a pretty good distance for your arms to be straight and at a 90-degree angle. I don't know if the camera can catch this, but the keys are actually at a downward angle, so almost like a little cup, and so it's not straight like conventional keyboards. It's actually at an angle, and I don't know the science behind it, but it feels good on the hands. And then so that's the first difference, besides the fact that it's split. And then the second major difference of this keyboard is that this space and backspace buttons are right here. This is the backspace button on the left side and the space button on the right side. And then there's delete, enter. So this is definitely very unique to the Kinesis Advantage360 design. It takes a little bit to get used to, not gonna lie. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you learn how to use it, it's actually very comfortable. It can get frustrating at first, but you just have to practice if you really want to use it. I think the other reason why this keyboard is expensive is because you can actually program it. So all the instructions are right here on the quick start guide, and then there's a website that you can go to and download an app. So it does come with a tool that allows you to remove the keys, and then it does provide extra keys that you can use. Let's say you don't like the backspace here, or actually let's say you don't like the end button here, you can switch it to another key, but you would have to program it. And so there's programming keys here, and you would just have to read the instructions on how to do that. If you don't have a programming background, it does take a bit of a learning curve, so just be aware of that. And then it does come with a bridge connector, so if you wanted to connect the separate keyboards, you could do that. I didn't really use this much. And then the cable is a USB cable, but it does come with a USB to C port connector as well, if you wanted to use that. Otherwise, I mean, another thing, there is I'm just gonna unplug it to show you. There is this little button right here that you press, and it allows the keyboard to go up and down. So there are 3 settings you could do all the way down. Then there's the in between, and then there's the highest one. So it really depends on how you want your hand to be. So this is the highest one, then there's the middle, and then there's the end. Personal choice. I think that's really cool. Both sides can do that as well. But other than that, I mean, the most unique aspects of this keyboard are the fact that it's split, the curve design, and then the position of the keys. I would say those are the major differences. You could use this straight from the box as is. There is no need to program anything unless you really want to program it, then you have that option, hence the price. So like I said, this is a $400 keyboard. It's really good, but if you don't have the money to spend $400 on a keyboard, I would say my second option would be this keyboard, which I reviewed on a different video. This is the Kinesis Split keyboard. This is a wireless version, and I also have the wire version, which I like. But this one's cheaper and it does the same. It just doesn't have the curve and the fancy buttons here, and you cannot program it. But this is a cheaper option. It's good. But if you have the money and you want to go all out, this is a really nice keyboard as well. So this is the Kinesis Advantage360 keyboard.